It's Hot Wheels Mystery Models time, and check it out. What do I have right here? It's the moment you've been waiting for because of these three right here. So what do we have? That's right, we've got bag 2, 5, and 10. The hard bags to find because everybody wants to collect them. So 2, 5, and 10 right here, as well as the other 9 that we got before. So we got the number 1, 2013 Copo Camaro, a carbide. Let's see, let's get that in here. Okay, 2013 Copo Camaro. This is what it looks like right here. Very nice car, and you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna race them. That's for sure. Okay, that's number 1 bag. Then the number 2 bag is right about. That's number 5. And number 2 bag is right here, which is. Ooh, the Ultra Special 4 GT. We gotta check that out for sure. All right, number 3. So if you want to see this unboxing or unbagging surprise bag video, check out my channel. All right, here is the carbide. If you watch that video, leave a comment down below on who won those races between these 9 cars. All right, then number 3 is carbide. Number 4 is the Mazda Fury. Oh, look at that. The Mazda Fury. I like the silver on the front and then the blue on the back. A number 4. Alright, number 4 on the side, and it's number 4 bag. Alright, Mazda Fury number 5. Where's the number 5 bag? Here it is. The number 5 bag is the Special Corvette Grand Sport. That's going to be a pretty cool vehicle. Alright, and then number 6 is the Lancia Stratos, which is right here. Lancia Stratos, pretty cool old school car. It's got some logos or sponsors on the side. All right, and then number 7 is the Chicane, which is right here. Number 7, Chicane. Nice big wheels on the back. It's pretty cool. All right, Hot Wheels Graphics, GRFX. All right, and then the number 8, which is the Super Volt. Super Volt right here. It's got a parachute in the back because it's so fast. Big rotary engine in front. Very cool. Look at those. Look at that glass. You can see through into the inside. That's pretty awesome. All right, and then number 9 was the F1 racer. Oh yeah. Here's the F1 racer. We'll see how fast these are. And then number 11, the Pass and Gasser. Pass and Gasser Hot Rod. Look at that car. Plus you can see inside of it, so it's like convertible. Well, not really convertible because there's no top there. Okay, Pass and Gasser. And then the number 12, the 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. And it's got Sheltman on the side, Sheltman Racing, Firestone wheels. Alright, a few other sponsor logos there on the side. But there you go, there is the Mustang. Alright, so on to the 3 vehicles you want to see. Alright, bag number 2. Here we go. Bag number 2. And then we get the stickers that come in these bags. Alright, number 2. Ooh, here it is. Gold Ford GT. Look at that. It's for sure an awesome sticker. What do you think about the car? Whoa! Look at that. That's pretty sweet. It's got the flat black, matte black right there. Nice. Nice car. That is a collector's edition right there. That's probably why everybody keeps getting these 3 bags. Nice red rims on the front and gold on the back. Gold bottom. Let's see, is there anything else different on the bottom? Nope. Ford GT limited edition, ultra special, whatever you want to call it. We're going to see how fast this is. It's got a red interior. Very cool. Alright, that's bag number 2. We can add our stickers to sticker sheet right here. Alright, and then let's see, bag number 5. Okay, here we go, bag number 5. Pull this one out. This is the car that's right up front, even right in the box. And on the bag, Corvette Grand Sport. And here we go. Oh yeah, it's nice. Very nice gray. It's a lot different than the picture actually looks. It looks a lot darker, doesn't it? As well as on the box and on the side here. It looks a lot different. It's more lighter gray. Like the orange sticking through. That's pretty cool. Orange windows. And then the side windows are wide open, as you can see. So he has the windows rolled down right now. The bottom is all orange. Corvette Grand Sport. I like it. I wonder how fast this car will be. Alright, here we go. And then the last bag, which I think I'm going to like this one. I like them all, but this one will be pretty cool. Bag number 10. Here we go. Special Mazda RX-7. Mazda RX-7. It's got the silver cup, as you can see. Yep. Every one of them has a cup on it. Right there. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So what are they saying? This Ford GT is going to win the race? We'll see about that. Alright, look at that. The Mazda RX-7. I like the green. It's even got green windshield. It's pretty cool. Bag number 10. Very cool. Okay. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one you like the best. 2, 5, or 10. Car 2, 5, or 10. Ford GT, number 2. The Corvette Grand Sport, number 5. Or the Mazda RX-7, number 10. Alright, let's get racing. Alright, what do we have here, buddy?
Hot Wheels 6 lane.
That's right, the Hot Wheels 6 lane. We're going to race these new mystery models right here. And we've got them lined up in the order that they came out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, or 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 right there. Okay, so who do you think is going to win in this race? This new Ford GT? Or, look at this, it's got the Corvette in this race too. So we got 2 of the new ones, or the mystery model ones, that everybody was trying to get. Okay, here we go. Ready to race? Okay, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Lane 5.
Lane 5 is that Corvette. Okay, let's see the replay on that Ford GT and what place it came in. The Ford GT comes in 4th place. Okay, the Corvette Grand Sport comes in first for that first heat. All right, here we go, the second heat. Ready, on your mark, get set, go.
Live again, lane 1.
Lane 5, which is who?
Pass and Gasser.
The Pass and Gasser is the winner of this heat right here. Okay, so here are your first two winners, and we're gonna split these up right here. So let's do this heat, 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 this heat. Well, the Mazda goes right here, and this one goes right here. All right, these 5 and these 5 right here. Okay, here we go with the third heat. Ready? Mark, set, go. 2013 Copo Camaro. All right. Next heat. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wait, what?
Okay, lane 1 was the yellow Mazda, the Special Mazda RX-7. Here's the losers that are left. One more time for 2 more heats, and we'll do it just like that. Okay, here we go. Last chance qualifying. Ready to go. Lane 5 is the new Ford GT. On your mark, get set, go. All right, this is what we have for the final. The ones you might expect. Okay, the Corvette, Pass and Gasser, the Camaro, the new Mazda, the new Ford GT, right? Then the Mazda Fury. Okay, so how many races should we do? Just one? Or we should do like
1.
Should we do like 3 and see if it's the same racer that wins every time?
1.
Okay, let's do like a couple and see if it's the same racer. Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that Corvette is really, really fast, isn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. Let's see if that Corvette can win it again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah. Okay, just one more time just to see that Corvette win. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Lane 6 again. The Corvette got it.
Lane 6. So there you go. There's your winner. The Corvette. Pretty nice car. All right, so there are the mystery models, and here are the 3 new ones. The Corvette, the Ford GT, and this Mazda. What do you think? You like them?
Yes.
These 3 new ones are really, really cool, but this one is by far the fastest for sure. All right, well you like that one?
Yeah.
That one is cool looking.
And this one too. He's like a gold car.
I know, that's probably why everybody's collecting them. All right, well that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out our channel for more Hot Wheels videos and for more exciting toys.
Hey guys, do you like video games? Well, you need to subscribe to the Show and Tell gaming channel to check out all kinds of awesome and fun gameplay videos. Just watch what game we're going to play next. See you over there.